generosity has made a difference, but much more needs to be done. Your support matters now more than ever. Please help advance education in Afghanistan now and on into the future. Please visit cw4wafghan.ca.
Day two, it's the day of demo, and I'm gonna get started by ripping off these portions.
We do that. Yeah.
All outside structures.
My job is to take down the portions. That's what I do. I like trucks.
Homer!